Hey, you! Yes, you! Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling stuck in a financial rut? Well, today, we're breaking that cycle because your financial breakthrough starts now. Step 1. Mindset shift. First things first, change your mindset. Stop saying, "I can't afford it," and start asking, "How can I afford it?" Wealth isn't just about money, it's about how you think about money. Step 2. Multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck, that's risky. The wealthy have multiple streams of income, side hustles, investments, digital assets. Start small, but start today. Step 3. Stop wasting money. Netflix, impulse shopping, eating out daily, track your expenses. Cut the unnecessary, invest the difference. Small daily savings equals big financial freedom. Step 4. Invest, don't just save. Savings lose value over time due to inflation. Instead, invest wisely. Stocks, real estate, or even your skills, your money should be making money. Final words, take action now. Success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who take action. So start today, learn, earn, and take control of your financial future. The next move, yours. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's grow together.